Guys, welcome back once again. Today, we are diving into the world of GitHub Copilot and Visual Studio Code. Imagine having an AI-powered assistant that helps you write code faster and with fewer errors. That's exactly what GitHub Copilot offers. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to set up GitHub Copilot and use it to enhance your coding experience. But before we do so, please make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Also make sure you like the video and share it as well, because this will actually help the channel. But let's get straight into it. Before we begin, let's ensure you have everything you need. First of all, as you can see here now, I've actually opened the Visual Studio Code. But if you don't have it, make sure you go to the official website and download and install the Visual Studio Code on your computer. Also make sure that you have a GitHub account with an active Copilot subscription or access to the Copilot free plan. Okay, so basically if you don't have a subscription, you can get a free plan as well, or you can get a paid one. But as you know, the paid one you get more functions than the free one. So basically you can use the free one to get yourself up to speed. Okay, so once you have all of this sorted out, yeah, you can now open our Visual Studio. As you can see, I've already opened it. So let's open it and let's go to the extensions. So here at this extension side, so we can type in GitHub Copilot. So as you can see, the first result is a GitHub Copilot with over 26 million downloads. So let's select that, yeah. As you can see, with over 23 million downloads, yeah. So here, as you can see, I've already installed it. But if you haven't, yeah, you can install it straight up from this bit here. So as you can see, there's install here. So basically, you can also select it and install it from this bit here. So once you're done with the installation, you'll be prompted to sign into your GitHub account, to verify your subscription. So everything will be displayed on the screen. So you just follow it and go about with it. Yeah, since I've already done that, I won't be able to guide you through that process. Yeah, but it's very straightforward. Okay, so once you're done with that bit here, we can come back to this file explorer and let's close this bit here. So let's go ahead and click open a folder. So here, what I'm going to do is create a new folder for my website. Yeah, just gonna right click and new folder. I'm just gonna name it YTV or YouTube video and just give you a number 100. Okay, but you can put whatever you want. So let's select it, then select folder. So as you can see here now, we've opened the folder and there's obviously it's an empty folder. So let's go ahead and add a new folder inside our folder and call this JS. And let's go ahead and add another folder. Call it CSS. So inside the CSS folder, let's add a file. Call it style.css. And inside the JavaScript and the JS folder, let's add a file called app.js. Sorry. So on the top folder, let's add a new file, and let's call this file index.html. Okay. So as you can see here, we've got our basic setup for website. So let's select our index.html. So as you can see here, press Ctrl I to ask GitHub to do something. Okay. So let's go ahead and press Ctrl I. So let's select the file, in this file, and then Ctrl I. So as you can see here, we've got this Copilot prompt here. So let's go ahead and write something. Add a basic HTML code and press enter. So as you can see here now, we've got the Copilot adding the basic HTML stuff for us. Okay, so as you can see here now, it's not very difficult to get yourself started. So let's go ahead and open our CSS. Let's press our Ctrl I mean select. Okay. So here let's go ahead and do the same thing. Add a basic style sheet. So as you can see here now, we've got our style sheet being added for us. Okay. So as you can see, we've got a bunch of them. So got that one sorted out. So let's open our app.js and press Ctrl I, and then let's put this add calculation class to this file. So as you can see here now, it's added the basic calculation operations. I mean the class and some methods with the operations and whatnot here. As you can see here now, got addition, subtraction, multiplication, and whatnot. Yeah. So let's go back to our index.html, and then inside the head, let's press Ctrl I. So let's open the chat. The Copilot inside of our head, and then let's say add app.js inside the JS folder. So as you can see here now, we've got this link added to our head. So we can also go ahead and do the same for the CSS. So add style.css inside the CSS folder. So as you can see here now, we've got the style sheet linked to our style sheet added as well. So as you can see, it's not a very difficult stuff to get ourselves up to speed. So what I'm going to do is leave this video here for now so that you can go ahead and explore it further yourself. Once again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure you do, because I've got lots of videos coming up, and I hope you have a lovely morning, evening, afternoon, wherever you are. Peace.